Into the judgment in court, and it is to the effect that the party cannot appoint anybody to take the place of the national secretary of the party. He was elected at a convention. He can only be removed at a convention. Now, the court also ordered that the assistant national secretary, sorry? No, this deputy secretary can only act when the national secretary is absent, or if he's available, he can only deputize him. Now, what it means, the court said that he returned from his leave since May 2023, and because of that, the party was at fault for not showing to the court that he had returned to work since, and that shows bad faith. That's the essence of what the court just said. So from this judgment, it is obvious that this is the national secretary of the PDP, and the court has also restrained them from treating any other person as a national secretary. There are injunctive reliefs against the party. So this has put to rest all the agitations and contentions by people claiming that they are now the secretary of Senator Anyanwu is the national secretary of the party. From this judgment, that's what the court has just pronounced. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
How do you feel with this outcome of the judgment?
Well, first of all, I'm happy about the judgment. Secondly, there was no need for this court process because PDP is an opposition party. And what we are trying to do is to put ourselves together for the next political activities. So we don't need all these distractions. As far as I'm concerned, I defeated nobody, but just that the law has taken its course. And I believe this should be the end of all these court issues so that we can concentrate on doing our job. We have less than 2 years to put our party together and ensure that we get back ourselves to what PDP used to be. And for me, it's a good day. And I want to thank my lawyers, who actually did a good job to showcase that in this country, justice must always take its course.
Now, what will be your call to the leadership of the party?
Like I said, I've been doing my job, and of course, PDP knows that since I became the national secretary of this party, a lot of innovations are brought into the party. It's second to none. If you go to the Wanata Plaza, what it used to be before, as you know it, is not what it is now. So I'm sure my staff will be happy today because I brought a lot of motivation to the staff of the party, gave them a sense of belonging. And they'll be yearning for this opportunity for me to come back and continue what I'm doing for them, to motivate them and put them, at the right position. And for my colleagues, we're all one family. I hold no grudges against anyone. Party is just one of those things. We've come from different political background, from family background. We converge in that particular office called NWC, and we've met ourselves. We'll live there one day. It's good to work as a family and live as a family at the appropriate time. So for me, everybody is my brother, my friend, and we've stayed together. And I want to thank them for standing in for me all this while, while I'm not around. I also appreciating my deputy who also assisted while I was away. And I want to thank our leaders, our party leaders, our governors who tried to ensure there's peace. I thank all our political leaders from my zone, from Nigeria, because I'm National Secretary of Nigeria worldwide, not just the zone. So, but I appreciate all our leaders, both present and past. Thank you very much.
We are happy today. Okay. My name is Honorable Geoffrey Hetuge, PDP Chairman, Ikedu Local Government. PDP Chairman, Ikedu Local Government. That's the local government of the National Secretary. I'm his AGA Chairman.
So with the outcome of this case?
Now, see, in the first place, like he said, this shouldn't have happened. There's no need to deny him his position. it was this denial of his office that made us come to court. And court, in his wisdom, has granted all our requests today. So we are happy. Nobody has won, nobody has lost. PDP still won. Thank you.
PDP lawyer.
My name is Ganiyu Ajakpe. Ganiyu Ajakpe.
Okay, tell us how you feel with the judgment.
It's normal. We have done our best as lawyers. You people, the plaintiffs approached the court and we defended the suit. So the judge did his best. At the end of the day, notwithstanding that we are not pleased, I wait for that directive from my clients on the next move. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yes, I said